New video into our newsroom tonight. Michael Schaefer on Longboat Key sent us this video showing what looks like a waterspout forming there. We don't know if it did fully form into a waterspout, but you can see the water twirling there. Bob, this is your first look at this. What do you think?
And definitely a waterspout trying to form, if not forming at that point. Sometimes you can't see the water vapor that goes all the way up to the cloud, but there's definitely rotation there, definitely spinning, and it reached the surface of the water, so you would say, yes, that is a waterspout, not the classical looking ones that we see. We haven't seen a lot of damage reports coming out of this storm. However, there have been some power outages in Manatee County due to the excessive lightning strikes. Those are still going on too, although it is lessening. Get a look at this Lakewood Ranch webcam showing some clearing off in the distance there. If you look off to the east, that's where that's looking. So things are starting to improve right there by Nathan Benderson Park, where they're having that big celebration there tonight with the fireworks beginning at 9:30. I think most of the rain will be over by then. The lightning will be. I think for the most part, all that lightning associated with this upper level low feature right here, which has enhanced the storms today. It's going to be around as it moves off to the west over the next 24 hours. So tomorrow is going to be a little dicey again, but I think they may be through a little earlier tomorrow as a result of that low pressure being closer to us. You can see that lightning now is heading off into the Gulf of Mexico. Behind it, light rain still lingering, but not a lot of lightning behind it. So we have the light rain still near Lakewood Ranch. Still some lightning strikes out there, so it's not quite safe to go out and venture outdoors at this point. If you're in Lakewood Ranch or even in Tatum or stretching down to Heritage Oaks, we have some heavier weather on Siesta Key. Definitely do not venture outdoors as of yet. Most of the people hit by lightning, it's after the heavy rain has moved on through. They think they can resume their outdoor activities, but a lot of times you get these bolts that still occur even behind the heavier rainfall. So keep that in mind as we move through this evening. Right now, light rain in Bradenton, Palmetto, Parrish, also into Ellington, getting some light rain. The heavy weather as far as strong storms in Northport are gone right now. Nokomis getting some rainfall, but not nearly as intense as it once was. Rotunda, Inglewood, light to moderate showers, but still some lightning near Venice and Osprey also pushing off toward the west. We'll go down to street level and show you at Siesta Key. The rain's lessening up somewhat. Gulfgate Estates just had a lightning strike there about 5 minutes ago. And as far as the cloud tops go, at one point they were up to 50,000 feet. This gives you an indication that they are weakening as they make their way off into the Gulf of Mexico. So as far as any rough weather goes, continuing for the rest of the evening, I think it's over for the most part as these storms head off into the Gulf and continue to fade away, so to speak. It has cooled us off. Temperatures are down now into the mid-70s. Lakewood Ranch, you can see some light rainfall around now. And within the last 5 minutes, there haven't been any lightning strikes there, so things are looking a little bit better there as well. As we push through time, things will improve. Especially by 7 o'clock. Here's what's happening now as far as the rainfall estimates go. We've had up to 2 inches already near I-75 and Clark Road, all the way to 1.8 just south of that, and near Inglewood nearing 2 inches. This upper level low is the reason why you see it spinning here in its counterclockwise fashion. It'll continue to be overhead tomorrow. We'll start off nice for the 4th, and then showers and storms maybe a little bit earlier than today. And some of those could be strong as well as they make their way through. That low will give them a little bit of enhancement in terms of their intensity. And there it is, 4 p.m. Wednesday, showers and storms around. By 8 o'clock, it looks like most of the action should be over according to this model. We'll keep an eye on it for you, though. Of course, have your ABC7 First Alert weather app handy throughout the night. You can kind of find out where the storms are going. Once the low gets by us, we'll see more onshore flow for Thursday, which will favor some morning showers near the coast. Scattered storms tomorrow afternoon. You guessed it, we're in summer. Seas running 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out there. And the water temperature now at 88 degrees. That is steamy. UV index will be an 11 throughout most of the day tomorrow. Showers and storms, Mother Nature's fireworks hard at work tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then Thursday, 40% chance, as I mentioned, maybe some morning showers along the coast, and then scattered showers and storms through the weekend. Scott?
Thank you so much, Bob.